iPhone 17 likely to feature this amazing button. We're only a few weeks past the launch of the latest iPhone 16 series, and both proficient tipsters and Apple lovers have begun their pursuit of what Apple has in store for the next year's iPhone 17 series. Although there's a substantial amount of ridicule coming Apple's way for chasing the integration of new and newer buttons, it appears that there's something in the button game due to which the iPhone maker is spending colossally. After its innovative take of an action button on the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, followed by the camera control shutter on the iPhone 16 series, Apple is said to be testing a new button that will replace the volume buttons and the action button that have been removed on the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. It was reported that the new button could offer a fair degree of customization and will alone serve the two functions, including volume adjustments and profile switching. Since the news is based on a rumor, the reliability of the development dangles between right or wrong, and opting for the latter could be disappointing, as the tip design is expected to be just one of the countless prototypes which companies like Apple undertake before blowing the trump. The aforesaid leak hasn't marked a maiden emergence, as it just comes as a new entrant to the swelling heap of button-centric experimentations tipsters reflected on earlier. An example of it is the previously rumored capacitive volume button, which turned out to be a multifunctional camera shutter button on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro.